Starting now. Miss Livia, your real name itself is Livia or what?
Yes, sir. My name is Livia Baby, actually.
Acha, acha. What is the meaning of Livia?
Livia, actually, my elder sibling named this for me, and she was actually planned to put Divya, but her name is Liba. That's why.
No, but
in order to
no,
make
no.
it match,
In a real
in order,
interview, you have to find out some other answer for this. 1 minute,
okay.
because no doubt you are telling about elder sister and all. Okay, but then it takes away the seriousness of the question. Livia meaning. The question is not asked not for fun.
Okay,
Meaning,
sir.
Livia is meaning is olive tree.
It is derived from the word olive.
What does the name Livia mean? Here it says lioness of God.
Okay, sir.
Lioness of God. You are a Christian, huh?
Yes, yes.
You can say it is one of the name of a female god, something, or goddess. ऐसा बोल दीजिए, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Very good. So, Libya, please tell us about yourself.
My name is Livia Baby. I hail from Kottayam district of Kerala. I have completed my master's in commerce in the year 2019, and I have been working as a teacher and PG teacher for the last 5 months. And regarding my family, my family consists of father, mother, and 2 elder siblings. My father and brother is into family business, and my elder sister is actually a college professor, and my mother is a homemaker. I am interested in entrepreneurship. Then mostly my hobbies are driving, then engaging in business activities like that. Coming to my strengths, I strongly believe that I am a person with a strong interpersonal skill, and that was about me, sir.
But you were talking well, but then you were hesitating, like that. You were taking some gaps that can be avoided. And you don't tell about entrepreneurship, because if you say you are interested in entrepreneur, they will ask you, why should you not go as an entrepreneur? And you may have to explain about it. Then don't tell that you are interested in doing business. Both are same. Both are same. You should not tell that, because that will lead you to further questions which you may not be able to answer to our satisfaction.
Okay, sir.
That is right. Good. You studied Mcom and now you are a teacher.
Yes, sir. Since I have completed Bachelor's of Education in Commerce.
Yeah.
B.Ed also I have completed. And I am passionate in both banking and teaching. Since it is a competitive world, I don't think so it is easy to stick on to a particular career. So I thought of choosing two careers. And meanwhile, I was while preparing, I was doing my bachelor's in education. I was preparing for banking exams also.
No, but one thing, okay, you can tell about it, teaching, and you can tell you are interested in coming to banking because you think your future may be good here. But are you on fixed salary in your present assignment?
No, sir, no.
Some lump sum, or are they giving government salary?
No, they are not giving lump sum salary, sir. Government salary.
Oh,
They're
they
not
give you,
giving down.
they will give you some contract salary, correct?
Yes, that's it, sir.
Okay, okay, that's right. That is, you tell them that that is one of the reasons why you want
Okay.
to shift to Federal Bank also. You can tell like
Okay.
that. Very good.
Okay.
Which subjects are you very fond of in teaching in college?
I am very fond of teaching business related subjects, entrepreneurship, business studies,
Hmm.
all the
Okay.
subjects.
What is entrepreneurship?
Entrepreneurship basically means leading or working behind a company and making it successful in the near future. Also, putting your whole effort into a business and bringing new ideas, implementing it, and finding success on a particular business.
Hmm. What are the qualities that are required for an entrepreneur?
First and foremost, quality that entrepreneurship must possess is consistency. He or she should work consistently and should wait for the result. And also, the entrepreneur must have a passion towards the business, as well as he should be patient. Also, he or she should have a strong interpersonal or communicative skill, since an entrepreneur will have to come across many people and many situations throughout the business.
Livia, you are teaching in Mcom or Bcom and all that. Do you communicate in Malayalam or in what is that, English?
I used to communicate in English.
Achha? But do children follow when you speak fully in English?
At times they will ask, sir, if they have any doubt, they will ask me.
So you will clarify the doubts and then go about.
Yes, yes.
Can you tell me what is a limited company? What is the act that is governing limited companies?
Limited company in the sense,
Companies Act.
Companies Act, Companies Act 2013.
Good.
Companies, company.
How many types of companies are there? Famous.
There are different types of companies, partnership companies, limited liability company, private limited company, public limited companies, then companies limited by shares, limited by guarantee, then micro companies, then one person company.
Good.
That's it, sir.
Yeah. Here, just now I asked our chat GPT. It is telling me these companies. I will show you.
Okay.
Nothing wrong, and you're seeing it. Stop share. Share. This is the limited company. Private limited company, public limited company, one person company, limited liability partnership, then sole. So this, of course, this will not come. They have given wrongly. Sole proprietorship, this also will not come under this. Partnership firms, Section 8 company is a non-profit organization formed for promoting arts, commerce. This one you have not told, but this is not familiar. Then producer company. A producer company is formed by farmers, artisans involved in production, procurement. This is also not common. So if you tell about private limited company, public limited company, one person company, that will do, I think. So partnership and all you don't have to tell.
Okay, sir.
Because That is not coming under Companies Act.
Act. Okay, okay.
Very good. Thank you. I purposely did not ask you the common questions that are asked in FCC
Okay.
interview. I am
Yes.
leaving first 5 minutes to our Rinta. Rinta ji, first 5 minutes you will take it up. You will ask questions that are normally asked in FCCE interview to her. Please continue.
Okay, sir.
You please
Hi, Livia.
speak with your mic near your mouth so that you are heard properly.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. Okay. Hi, Nivya.
Linda.
Good evening. What do you know about FCCS program?
It is a two-year integrated program offered by Federal Bank in association with Manipal Global Education Services, which offers PG diploma in risk and compliances. Regarding the course, during the course, the candidates are given both on the campus as well as on the job training. And the program will also give a chance for the candidate to earn as well as to acquire skills. The program consists of 5 phases, which is divided into 2 terms. In term 1, there will be 24 weeks of training, and term 2 consists of 28 weeks of training, after which 1 year, that is 52 weeks, there will be on the job training. And during the course, inside the course, the candidate can learn basically the course consists of risk and complaints, KYC, then domestic and banking regulations, then all the financial crimes, data analysis, etc. will be taught throughout the course. And during the program, along with also, it is mandatory that the candidates must acquire CFCS certificate, that is Certified Financial Crime Specialist accreditation, after which the candidate will be, according to the requirement, the candidate will be placed as officer in any of the branches of Federal Bank. That's it.
Okay. So you know about Federal Bank?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what is Federal Bank famous for?
Federal Bank is basically a private sector bank, one of the leading private sector commercial banks in India, and it was found out in 1931, headquartered in Alua. The founder was KP Holmes, and it has received many of the prestigious award and got excellence in mobile banking. Also, the bank has got a tremendous increase in the profit while comparing to the profit in the year 2022. And the MD and CEO of Federal Bank is Shyam Srinivasan. Federal Bank is currently doing many CSR activities under the foundation named Federal Bank Hormus Memorial Foundation. That's it about Federal Bank. And regarding financial status of Federal Bank, it has got recently in 2023 March 31st, it has got a net profit of 3010 crores and operating profit of 4700 crores.
No, pardon, repeat. What is the profit? Tell me.
Operating profit.
No, don't go into operating profit. Simply say net profit only.
Okay. Net profit. Regarding net profit, it was around 3010 crores.
For the year ending. For the quarter?
For the year ending 2000, March 2023.
Quarter ending?
Quarter ending, I have no idea.
That is given on top, 903 crores.
Okay, sir. 903 crores. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Sir.
Yeah. Now, Rinta, did you ask her about GNPA, NNPA and all? No.
No, sir. No.
Ask her.
Okay. Livia, are you aware about the GNPA and NNPA of Federal Bank
Percentage.
Yes.
percentage?
Yes. GNPA is around 2.36% and NNPA is around 0.6%. Yes.
Okay. Then what about the equity capital of Federal Bank?
That I am not sure about that. Sorry.
How much is that, Rinta?
Sir, I think it's about just
No, we
just
can find
line.
out. We can ask India equity capital of Federal Bank. Somewhere it was there. I have forgotten. It is given as 26,685 crore. This latest figure only. Please note it, all of you. 26,685 crore. I'm showing it to you. Yeah. And because the present, this is, I think it is market capitalization. Sorry. This is market capitalization. This is market capitalization. Equity capital is 420 crores. Only that much. All of you, hello. I want to be
Yes, sir.
corrected. I want to be
Yes,
corrected.
yes.
The equity capital is 423 crores roughly. But what is this one? This is 26,685 crore is the per share price, market price into number of shares issued. That is known as market capitalization. That is 26,685 crore. 26,685 crore. I am just giving this in the Telegram page of paid group. Also, I will post it to Federal Bank group. That is the original group started by me initially. Post kar diya. Good. Rinta, you have any other question? Otherwise, we will pass on to our another girl. What is her name?
Mira. So
Meera,
we can pass to
Meera.
her.
Meera ji, please ask question to her. Yeah.
So Livia, can you tell me the skills that financial crime compliance specialists require? And do you have that skills?
Okay. As per the information, an Fccs specialist must process skills of reporting, then investigating, and also to take actions to avoid risk. Also, the FCC specialist will get an exposure to deal with financial crimes. Also, the FCC specialist must keep organization away from corruptions and other bribery activities. That's it.
Okay. What are the different financial crimes that are common in India? And can you give few examples for that?
Okay, different financial crimes have seen in India bank robberies, then fraudulent loans and loan defaults, then money laundering, then identity theft, then insider trading, bribe, cyber crimes. Cyber crimes include phishing attacks, data breaches, online banking frauds, And I have read some of the banking crimes, like some of the financial crimes, like PNB, Punjab National Bank scam in 2018, that Nirav Modi's fraud, Modi, he was a diamond merchant and he fraudulently obtained loans for billions of rupees. And I have read about Satyam scam. Then I have read about Kingfisher chairman scam. That's it.
No, one thing, don't tell I read about, then they will start asking details about that. Can you tell
Okay, sir.
details about Satyam fraud? I'm sure you cannot. Can you tell?
And Satyam, I am not. I have read it earlier, but now I am not sure it.
Even I cannot tell because it is so many years back. And but so what we can know, simply say, have you heard of what are the crimes committed means? These are the types of crimes committed. The crimes reported as are like this: one, PNB scam, then Vijay Mallya scam, then Videocon scam at ICICI. Like that, you can say. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, Meera, any other question?
What is money laundering?
Good question. Come on.
Money laundering basically involves making black money into white money. And for the same purpose, sir, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I am hearing you.
Okay. Money laundering, it is actually process of illegally doing the activities in order to make the black money into white money.
Okay. Actual definition, what is given in this thing? Actual definition is money laundering. Money laundering involves, I'm showing it to you.
Okay, sir.
Money laundering, why don't you read it? Read it yourself.
Okay, money laundering involves discussing financial assets so they can be used
Hello, please read it again.
Money laundering involves discussing.
No, disguising.
Okay, disguising.
Disguising means hiding.
Okay, sir. Okay, money laundering involves disguising financial assets so they can be used without detection of the illegal activity that produced them. Through money laundering, the criminal transforms the monetary proceeds derived from criminal activity into funds with an apparently legal source.
See here, actually, this is what is, the picture is given like this. Of course, simply what we used to say, converting black money into white money. Then they will again question us, what is black money? Black money is a money which is earned without paying any income tax on that. Not only that, money earned through illegal means such as bribery, corruption, etc. Okay. That is what it is. And many of these funds are used for terrorist financing. That is why government is very keen that we should avoid money laundering. Okay, that's the thing.
Sir.
Very good. Thank you, Meera. Meera, you answered very useful questions. Do you have any other questions to ask her now, Meera ji?
No more, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Meera has been such a nice child. She has been with me for the last 2 hours. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Because she came and at that time, because of some miscalculation, what I have done, I have put spoken English class at 5 o'clock, but then while typing, I have typed it as 5:30. And I was waiting in Zoom from 5 o'clock, people coming, nobody coming. Then after they are coming, we started. So this our class supposed to be 5:40 was postponed to 8:40. Sorry, whatever it is. Anyhow,
Sir,
thank you so much. Yeah,
Sir, no issues at all, sir. I
thank
could
you.
get many questions.